Well, this experiment might be a failure, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna glue these up. My profiles don't match very well. Oh well, I was just trying it out to see if I could do it. This is so crazy it might work. Well, it kind of worked. Now that I've got this glued up, I need to smooth out some of these edges so they don't line up here. I have to grind those off. I think this was a pretty good experiment. It turned out alright. Things I would do differently next time is obviously this seam right here sort of breaks the illusion. I think having a similar type of wood, these two bowls were almost identical, and it helps the illusion a little bit. And you actually have to look for the seam in order to find it, while this has the seam pretty obvious. Also, using the same type and hardness of wood would help. This was a piece of Avedire that I got from a friend, and it's significantly softer than this wood. I'm not sure what this wood is. This wood is oak, but they're much harder than this one, so that made it a little difficult, especially when it came to sanding between. It wore away much quicker right here than right here because this wood is harder. Also, it's important to take more time to make sure these profiles are the same so these joints line up. I had to cut off the top, I had to cut off this section in here, so I kind of wasted a significant portion of the work that I did. Anyway, it turned out alright. Might try it again in the future, who knows? You might see it on an upcoming episode of Cammy's Garage.